Hello everyone, welcome to Piano with Sun. This is Sun. This is our very first piano lesson, so we will start with very basic things that you need to know about the keys. In this video, we will talk about the looks of the keys, musical alphabet, and the middle C note, which is the most important note when you just start learning the piano. And also you will learn all the names of the white keys. Are you ready? Let's go! If you have a piano or a full-size keyboard, there are 52 white keys and 36 black keys, so it's 88 keys in total. But there are so many keyboards that has less than 88 keys, and if you have one of those, that is totally fine to start learning piano with it. Now let's take a look at the keys, and let's press a couple of the keys on very right side of the keyboard. And press the keys on the very left side of it. How's the sound different? As you go to the right side of the keys, you will hear a higher and softer sound. And as you go to the left side, you will hear a low and louder sound. As we go higher to the right side of the keys, we say we are going up. And as we go to the lower to the left side of the keys, we say going down, going up, and going down. Please remember this, as you will hear me saying going up and down all the time. Next, we will look at the black keys. They are in groups of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And it goes on like a pattern. Let's take out one set of 2 and 3 black keys and the white keys below. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 white keys. And each of them is named C, D, E, F, G, A, B. These are called musical alphabet, which is 7 letters from A to G. After G, instead of H, it goes back to A. Let's play these keys as we say the names of it. Let's go up first. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Then back to C. One more time. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now let's go down. Let's start from the C. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. It's trickier to say the names as going down. Let's do it again. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. One more last time. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Great, good job. It'll be easier if you remember these keys as 3 groups. First group is C, D, E. It's easy, right? C, D, E. Then the middle group is F and G. Then the last group is A and B. And because it follows with another C, so you can remember it as A, B, C. Now let's practice remembering these keys. Let's start with C, D, E. These are under 2 black keys. From left to the right, C, D, E. And right to the left, E, D, C. C, 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 D, 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 E, D, C. Does it sound familiar? Now, can you name and play these keys? Now let's practice F, G, A, B. They're under 3 sets of black keys. Let's go up first. F, G, A, B. Let's go down. B, A, G, F. Now, can you name these keys? Now let's practice naming all the notes randomly. I'll play the keys and I'd like you to name it and play the key. Very good. Now I'll name the keys and you'll play the keys before me. B, E, C, G, A, D, F, C. G, E, A, B, D. Great. Lastly, let's learn middle C. It is one of the C notes that's in the middle of the keyboard, roughly saying. Let's find and play all the C's first. Now you know that C is under 2 black keys and it's the one on the left. C, 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 C. How many C's do you have? I have 8 of them on my piano. If you're on a piano or a full-size keyboard, it's the 4th one from the lowest. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're on a piano, it's the closest one to a key lock. If you're on a smaller keyboard, sit in the middle of your keyboard and find 2 C's that are near you. And one of them must be the middle C. So try them and find this pitch of the middle C. The one above the middle C will sound like this. The one below the middle C will sound like this. Did you find your middle C? It's important to recognize and remember the middle C because in many ways, middle C will be one of the guide notes. Also, like many other music methods, our next lessons will begin to learn the notes around the middle C. So let's practice finding middle C quickly. Can you look away from the keyboard? Now find and play the middle C. Hand away and look away, then back and play the middle C. Great work. How was it? I hope you've enjoyed your very first piano lesson. On our next video, you will learn all the finger numbers, and then you will start playing these notes that we've just learned by using the finger numbers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on our next video or tomorrow. Bye!